Until recently, to get anything done with AI, you had to jump between 10 different websites. One for images, one for videos, one for writing, one for research. Each had its own interface, subscription, and model. But now, there's a new platform that brings all of these together in one place. It's called HIX AI. Let's explore it together and see how it actually combines all the major models like Gemini 3 Pro, GPT 5.1, Claude Sonnet 4.5, and DeepSeek R1. So you can do everything from video and image creation to research and even coding, all in one place. Before we jump into video and image creation, let's start with the biggest new update on HIX AI. Gemini 3.0 Pro is now available here, fully multimodal. This means it can understand and generate text, images, audio, video, code, and even interactive web pages or apps. Let me quickly show you an example. For instance, if I type, create a landing page for a fitness app, Gemini instantly builds an HTML plus CSS web page. If I ask, make a quick mock-up of the homepage, it generates images too. And if I upload a PDF, it analyzes and summarizes it. All right, we've entered the site. The link is in the description below. From here, you can easily sign up. Click Try for free, and you can register using Google, Facebook, or manual email. Once inside, this is the main dashboard. First, let's check out the AI video section. From the main dashboard, go to AI video. Here you'll find three main models for video generation: Veo 3.1, Sora 2, and Wan 2.5. Each excels in its own style: Veo for cinematic, Sora for realistic, and WAN for faster motion scenes. In the AI video section, there's also a powerful Effects tab where you can apply ready-made styles to your clips. There's also Ingredients to Video, where you upload an image and the model builds the full video based on that reference. Let's write a simple prompt, for example, a drone flying over snowy mountains at sunset. Then we can choose how the video is generated. For instance, text to video, frame to video, or ingredients to video, where you can upload a reference image. I'll select text to video. Next, we can set the aspect ratio, quality, and duration of the video. Wait a few seconds. Now the result is ready. Let's watch it together. I think the sky colors and light reflections came out really naturally, especially for a web-based output. And here's an important note. Inside the Discover section, you can browse plenty of ready-made examples and recreate similar settings. For quick content production, this part is one of the most practical features of HIX AI. And another cool feature here is the upscale option, which lets you boost video quality up too. This is especially useful for anyone who wants 4K output. Now let's move on to AI image. This section is designed for text-to-image generation and includes many models, but the main ones are Nano Banana, Midjourney, and Seedream 4.0. Another powerful section inside AI image is the Effects library. Here you can turn any prompt into styles like cyberpunk, 2D anime, realistic portrait, or logo Polish with just one click. For example, if I type a futuristic girl standing in neon lights and apply the cyberpunk effect, the output changes dramatically. I'll choose Seedream 4.0 for a logo design. Let's type a modern minimal logo of an astronaut helmet with clean typography. Wait a few seconds. Now the result is ready. Let's take a look. The design looks clean and clear, though it could still be improved. We can instantly tweak it in the top bar by writing, make the text softer and add a blue gradient background. Wait a few seconds again. Now the updated image is ready. And this time, it perfectly gives that modern space-themed logo vibe. A nice feature is that in Effects or Discover, you can view other users' works and reuse their settings to create similar results. Finally, just like in the video section, there's an upscale option here too to enhance resolution. A new and unique section in HIX AI is called Deep Research. This one isn't about content creation, it's about real analysis and research. Instead of browsing 10 different sites, you just write a topic. For example, I'll type 2025 new AI tools market research. Wait a few seconds. Now the report is ready. You can see it automatically collected information, analyzed data, and even built market charts. And interestingly, you can download the entire report as PDF or DOC. I think this section is extremely useful for researchers or content creators looking for data and trends. The next part is AI Chat, a conversation that's not just text-based but multimodal. That means it can output text, images, videos, code, and files all at once. For example, let's type generate HTML code for a product sign-up page. Wait a few seconds. The code is ready. You can see it not only generates complete HTML, but also includes CSS to make the page look nicer. Since AI Chat is multimodal, you can also generate images right inside the chat. For example, create a minimal hero illustration for a travel website. You can also ask it to build apps. Generate a full React app for a task manager. This combination practically turns HIX AI into a true multimedia tool. Beyond the big features, HIX AI also includes dozens of smaller tools like AI Writer, AI Essay, Email Writer, document tools, and automatic translation, all under one subscription. And the best part is that HIX AI supports all the major models: GPT-5, Claude 4.5, and the newest Gemini 3.0 Pro, all inside one unified workspace. So, as we've seen, HIX AI is truly an all-in-one platform. From creating videos with models like Veo and Sora, to designing images with Seedream and Nano Banana, and even for research and multimodal chat. But the interesting thing is, we haven't even mentioned many of its other parts yet, like AI Writer, AI Essay, and specialized text research tools. All of these are available in one unified environment, with no need for multiple separate accounts. And the price? Just $14.99 per month for unlimited access. And when you compare that to using different tools, each with their own subscription, it's a totally reasonable number. Now, if you'd like to test it yourself, the official site link is in the description, and I've also pinned it in the comments for easier access. Take a few minutes, try a project, and write in the comments what your experience was. I test one of the best AI tools every week so we can explore together how to build faster, more professionally, and more creatively. Until the next video, stay smart and keep creating.